Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at GBPPS for this week. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. And also want to know that I have already set up a Patreon account. So if you are interested, you can actually sign up, subscribe to it. In that, I'll be, giving out an exclusive content, content trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% of it's in that trade. So that is exactly what I want to be sharing. So if you're interested, go and subscribe. And if at the end of the month you're not comfortable or you not get what you want, all you just have to do is actually cancel the subscription on this my Patreon. So I'll put the link in the comment section. So watch it. Now let's see Euro GBP first. We can see that this price is actually ranging where you can see that once Euro GBP so GBP dropped to the level here. Then a movement upward was made. Another drop to this low. Then another movement upward was made on Euro GBP. So this week, right, we will be expecting a drop again on Euro GBP. So I will watch out for this movement on Euro GBP to actually come to take out this support level on our weekly time frame. So Euro to GBP is bearish, and we all know with the news that we are expecting, especially GBP interest rates to increase, and when there is an increase in the interest rate of GBP, then definitely you should know that um, GBP PS will definitely shoot up. So any PS we will be trading to GBP will drop. So this euro to GBP that we will be trading, I'm expecting euro to GBP to actually drop for the week. So euro GBP for this week is actually we'll be expecting a bearish move. Now down to the daily time frame. So see something like a drop, then a pullback on euro to GBP. Now we'll be expecting another drop. That this drop needs to take out these lows, right? So this lows needs to be taken out on Euro GBP. So new lows will be formed whereby this lows here will be taken out and a new lows will be formed. That is to tell you that Euro GBP will be bearish. Then maybe after that, maybe during that period, maybe Thursday, I don't really know, there will be a little bit of a pullback, then a continuous bearish move. Well, this Euro to GBP is still bearish, by the way. So we can see it on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that price is giving us a lower lows and a lower highs. So we can see something like a lows, then a lower highs here. If you take a look at this again, a new lows that took out the previous lows, and here happens this is a pullback. Now this is a new lows that has been made, played out here. So now let's see if this price will drop to this same level. Then after that, a lower ice will be made. After the lower ice is being made, then another drop that will be made to take out this loss again. All will definitely happen this week. They will surely happen this week on this forward. Especially we can see it on the forward time frame. They will happen this week. So Euro to GBP is bearish. So let's say from this level here to this lows, this is about 34 pips, right? So this is exactly what I'll be watching out for. So Euro to GBP to come out and take out this lows, right? That is what we'll be watching out for. Let's see what this 1 hour time frame. So you can also see the 1 hour time frame is dropping, is giving us a lower lows and a lower highs. You clearly can see a drop movement. Like I said before, let's drop to this level. We can see here. Then a pullback will be made. I think a level of, let me mention the level. We should watch out for a level of 0.87515. I'll repeat, 0.87515. Then once price can get there, a pullback, then another drop again on Euro GBP. By the way, Euro GBP is still will drop by this, so watch out. Now let's take a look at GBPAUD. So if you have to zoom it out first, you can see that at first, this price was dropping. It was giving us a lower lows and a lower highs. Then price eventually, come up, give us a bullish move. Well, price has now dropped. So one thing that I'm seeing, watching out for this week on GBPAUD is actually a bullish move. Like I said before, due to the interest rate that will be increased, definitely we will see that spike up. And if in case GBPAUD does not give us a bullish move this week, then by next week we'll be able to see that bullish move that at least this ice will be taken out. But I strongly believe GBP AUD will go bullish this week. So if in case it does not, then you should be watching out for in 2 weeks time. So in upper week you should watch out for it. So GBP AUD, so this loss has come to test. So I'm expecting rejection whereby price will push up. Now take a look at this daily time frame. So price has rejected this level. Price has rejected this level. So maybe a first breakout might play out. Who knows? I think it will actually to play out. Or let's see this price will come to this lows. Let me highlight the level. So if in case price can drop, then I strongly believe we will find a rejection from there. If eventually price drops to a level of 1.72, I mean from this level to this level that I just talked about, that would be about 200 pips, which I don't really think so. But if in case it drops, like I said, I don't think it will actually drop to the level. But if in case this GBP AUD drops to the level of 1.72, maybe 0.87 then, or let's say 1.72, plus or something, then we expect it to actually push up. By the way, I'm still watching out for a bullish move on GBP AUD. So this is my 4 hour time frame. So price has dropped massively, dropped, and there is a pullback that's made to test this level. So I expect a more drop to be made. So if in case price will play out that way, if in case it will drop to a level of 1.72 that I just called, then I believe we would actually find a rejection whereby GBPAUD will start going bullish. Now let's see what this GBP New Zealand dollar will do. So if you have to zoom it out on the weekly time frame, so you can clearly see that this is a range market move. The top will be seen as the resistance level and the bottom would be seen as the support level. So once price hits our resistance level, we tend to see it come down to hit our support. And then again, that is how prices will be moving. So that let's say in the long run, price will definitely drop to touch, tap our support level. If it's going to happen now, well, I think price is actually playing out in a way on the daily time frame. So if you take a look at it on the daily time frame on GBP New Zealand dollar, right? So you can see that this price is actually pushing on. Like I said before, this GBP, when I see maybe most of GBP pairs will push on, I think GBP New Zealand dollars will actually push on. So let's see if similar movements will be made for this week. So let me see what it will actually do again. So let's see if it will actually go up again to take out a level of 1.92840. So 1.92840, we should watch out for GBP New Zealand hitting that level. So if in case it will drop or if it will continue to go bullish, I'll make sure I update you. So from here to this 9 to 4.8 that I just called, that would be about 190 plus pips. That's close to 200 pips, which is actually not bad, by the way. So GBP card, man, I feel GBP card will actually drop, right? So because reason is that when you go to the weekly time frame, so you can see that there is a rejection here, then a pullback was made. So we are expecting another drop. So the week that just finished, we actually closed bearish. So this week that I am predicting for, I believe we would actually close bearish also. So I watch out for a drop, by the way. So let me see what this daily time frame is actually saying. So you can see this drop, right? Then a pullback, another drop, which I'm expecting to be made to take out this low. So let's see how it comes out by the way it plays out. So we can see it that this is a drop, right? You can see it on the forward time frame. This is a drop being made, then a huge pullback, and now another drop is playing out. Let's see, take out this lows this week, then I'll know what to do, or I'm going to give you an update. So GBP Swiss franc, you can see this is clearly a bullish move. So 4 weeks ago, we actually closed bullish on GBP Swiss franc. 3 weeks ago, we opened and closed bullish. 2 weeks ago, we opened and closed bullish. And now, this week that just finished, we actually closed bullish. So I believe that this week that we are predicting for GBP Swiss franc will also give us a bullish move. So another bullish move is what we will be watching out for this week. Now let's see what this daily time frame is actually saying. So we can clearly see an higher highs and an higher lows. Higher highs and an higher lows is actually playing out. So let's try and take out the level here. So once price can take it, let's see, maybe price will now start dropping. If it will drop, I'm going to give you an update. Now to the 4-hour time frame. Well, there's a bit of rejection at this top, right? So now let's watch out for price to actually break out of this level on GBP Swiss franc. So this is what I have for you on GBP for this week.